Peppa Meets the Queen. Peppa and her family are watching television. Suddenly, there is a special announcement from the Queen. "The Queen! The Queen!" Peppa cheers. "Hello to you all," the Queen says. "Today, I have decided to give an award to the hardest working person in the country." The hardest working person in the country is Miss Rabbit. At the supermarket, Miss Rabbit is closing the shop when Mr. Zebra the postman presents her with a golden letter. "Miss Rabbit, please come to my palace to get a medal for all your hard work. Bring friends. All the best, the Queen." "I can't visit the Queen. I've got too much work to do," Miss Rabbit panics. "Don't worry," Peppa says. "The Queen has made it a holiday." It is the day Miss Rabbit visits the Queen. Peppa and her friends are going to. "We're off to see the Queen. We're off to see the Queen. Ay, oh, we're off to see the Queen." "Here we are," Miss Rabbit squeaks. "Look at all the fancy stuff. Woof," Danny Dog says. "Don't touch anything," Miss Rabbit warns. "Where is the Queen?" Emily Elephant asks. "Queen!" Susie Sheep calls. "Where are you?" In another fancy room, there is a lady sitting on a throne knitting. "Hello," Peppa says. "Have you seen the Queen today?" "I am the Queen," the lady says. "The children are very excited to meet you, Your Majesty," says Miss Rabbit. "I'm excited to meet all of you," the Queen says, standing up. "And now for Miss Rabbit's medal. This is the Queen's Award for Industry. Keep up the good work." The Queen puts a shiny gold medal over Miss Rabbit's head. "Cheers for Miss Rabbit," the Queen says. "Hip hip hooray," shout the children. Miss Rabbit and the children wear their boots to go out into the palace gardens with the Queen. "Do you play in your garden all the time, Your Majesty?" Danny Dog asks. "I don't have time for playing, no," answers the Queen. She suddenly stops. "Oh dear, a muddy puddle. Never mind, we can walk around it." "You can't walk around a muddy puddle," Peppa says. "You have to jump in it." Peppa shows the Queen how to jump up and down in the muddy puddle. "I say, that does look fun," the Queen says. "Here one goes then." "Stop!" shouts Peppa. Everyone gasps. "If you jump in muddy puddles," Peppa says, "you must wear your boots, Your Majesty." The Queen goes inside and comes back with her boots on. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles, including the Queen. The end.